everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English Weekend. I hope you are fine and doing well. So wear mask, wash your hands frequently, keep social distance. In this way, you can prevent getting corona infection. Okay, let me start the class with a thought. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. So instead of going for treatment, we need to protect ourselves before getting any disease. So that is better. We should always take care of our health. So after getting disease, we will have tough time. We have to go for treatment, we have to take rest, then we have to recuperate. So instead of that, if you take proper care, we can avoid getting any illness. So நோய் வந்த பிறகு போய் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போவதை விட நோய் வரும் முன்னே நம்ம உடலை பாதுகாக்கிறது நல்லது. அதுதான் ப்ரிவென்ஷன். ப்ரிவென்ஷனாக வராமல் தடுக்கிறது. ஸோ ப்ரிவென்ட், we can use that word as a verb, prevent. ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ரிவென்ட் வார் அப்படின்னா யுத்தம் வராமல் தடுக்கிறது. So prevent is verb, prevention is used as a noun. Okay, தடுக்கிறது. So today you learn the word prevent and prevention. Okay, the topic for the day is very important topic, that's presentation. So if you want to be an effective communicator, you need to present well. So I will discuss here what is presentation, its importance in communication, and how to give effective presentation. So what is presentation? So presentation usually means delivering something or giving something or explaining something or describing something. But here in communication, presentation means a formal speech and it is aimed at a specific audience. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட ஆடியன்ஸ்க்காக, மேபி they are experts, அவங்களுக்கு அந்த டாப்பிக்கை பற்றி நல்லாவே தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த ஃபீல்டில் we are going to deliver. You do some research on some project or about some product, then you are going to describe in front of them, deliver a speech about that product or about your proposal or about your report or about your new idea. ஸோ அதை பற்றி ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஆடியன்ஸு, அதை பற்றி நல்லா தெரிஞ்ச ஆடியன்ஸுக்கு முன்னே போய் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். ஸோ இட் இஸ் எ ஃபார்மல் ஸ்பீச். ஸோ மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த டைம் இன் பிஸ்னஸ் வேர்ல்ட் ஆர் இன் ஐடி வேர்ல்ட் ஆர் இன் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் வேர்ல்ட் ஆர் ஈவன் இன் institutions, so you need to give presentation, lot of presentation. Okay, so when you give presentation, how you give? So we will see the structure of it as well as how to make your presentation effective. Okay, so let us see starting. How to start? So as usual, any essay or letter or presentation, we have three parts. Okay, that is a starting, introduction, then the content delivery, then conclusion. So it is always good to start with a surprise opening. Okay, so you need to get the attention of the audience. So attention of the audience, audience கிட்ட இருந்து attention கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு வித்தியாசமான முறையில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் ப்ரெசன்டேஷனை. ஓகே, மேபி யூ கேன் இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் எ கோட் ஆர் இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் an incidents, so that will attract the audience. Okay, so as usual, when we start the presentation, we should greet the audience, wish the audience and introduce yourself. So how you wish the audience? So good morning to all, ladies and gentlemen, or we can also wish a respected so and so, that we say, so the respect to the dais. Suppose chairperson is there, respected chairperson, principal, faculty members or the board members, I really wish you all a pleasant day. So like that we can start. Then you express you are happy to give the presentation. So I am delighted or I am fortunate enough to stand in front of you and to deliver this presentation. Okay, so you tell them that you are happy to give presentation. ஸோ சந்தோஷமாக நீங்கள் வந்து அந்த ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுறீங்க, இல்லை ஃபார்ச்சுனேட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது யூ ஹேவ் டு எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி டு present, or I am delighted to stand in front of you and deliver this presentation. So like that you can express. Then introduce topic of the presentation. So what you are going to do. Okay, what is a topic you are going to present? Suppose let's take a topic as impact of coronavirus. So today I am going to deliver, or I am going to present on impact of virus. Okay, impact of virus on women or society or etc. So introduce the topic. Then what are the various points you are going to discuss under that topic? So in this topic I am going to deliver, or I am going to speak about the various impacts and how we can prevent, etc. So what are the points? And you just minimize 3 to 5 points when it is related to content delivery. So the middle, when you explain the points, so you shouldn't give too many points. So too many points will spoil your presentation. So just reduce to 3 to 5. That is better. Okay, suppose it is impact of coronavirus, you say history of coronavirus. Okay, then the current situation, then impact of coronavirus, then how to prevent or how to protect from coronavirus, conclusion. That is, usually in conclusion you are supposed to give some suggestion. So நீங்கள் இப்படி பண்ணினா கொரோனா வைரஸ்லேருந்து உங்களை பாதுகாத்துக்கொள்ளலாம். Okay, so wear mask, wash your hands frequently, keep social distance. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சஜஷனை நீங்கள் வந்து சொல்லலாம், கன்க்ளூஷனில் சொல்லலாம். ஸோ லைக் தட் only we can conclude the presentation. So once you conclude your presentation, you can go for open question. Okay, you can ask if you have any queries or any questions, you are welcome. So the presentation is about a particular topic, you have done a whole research, so you know everything about it. So you need to clear all the doubts regarding the presentation. So whatever the audience asks, you should be able to answer. And you need to answer politely. The audience may be good or sympathetic or sometimes rough also. So however may be, you need to listen to the question and answer them politely. Suppose you don't know, means acknowledge. I don't remember, I will get to you and tell the answer later. So like that we can communicate. So this is the way. Okay, start with surprise opening and give the content, reduce the content 3 to 5 points, and give some suggestion in the conclusion, and go for opening the questions. Okay, ask for questions. And another important point is body language. So body language is eye contact. So when you give presentation, make sure that you are talking with the audience. It's not like a lecture. Okay, so lecture you talk just yourself and they are listening. But when you give a presentation, make it sure you are making it interactive. So how will you make it interactive? Ask question now and then to the audience. So like that, engage with the audience. ஸோ ஆடியன்ஸ்கிட்ட ஒரு சில கேள்விகளை கேட்டு ஆடியன்ஸை என்கேஜ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கணும். தென் ஒன்லி த ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் வில் பி எஃபெக்டிவ். அண்ட் ஐ கான்டாக்ட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். யூ ஹாவ் டு லுக் அட் த ஆடியன்ஸ். யூ ஷுடன்ட் ஸ்டேர் பண்ணக்கூடாது, ஜஸ்ட் லுக். Okay, then do your presentation. So make sure you are engaging the audience and you are looking at the audience, and your hands movement. Okay, the hands coordination, and you shouldn't move too much. Okay, so minimize your movement when you do presentation. So in that way you can give effective presentation. And when you use some technologies like a PowerPoint, make it sure don't go for more than 10 slides. ஒரு 10 ஸ்லைட்ஸ்க்கு மேலே போகக்கூடாது, it will be boring. And give lot of examples, incidents, some narrations, some thoughts, adages to make your presentation interesting. You can also show in between music, video, pictures, image. So make it very lively and effective. So if you follow all this, what I say, you can surely become an effective communicator and you can present on any topic. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.